everybody, how are you? Do you remember we talked about the Shui Wu Long? Yes, I promise you we will have a tasting for Shui Wu Long. So today, let's try Shui Wu Long. You will see what kind of tea it is. Let's try. Now let's brew the first Shui Wu Long. Shui Wu Long can be brewed more than 6 times, maybe more. So don't give up. If you use ECO TEA ART, then you can brew muchos, many times. Shui Wu Long. The process for Shui Wu Long is half for oolong tea, half for black tea. Special process. So not every processed tea master can do this. Let's see the color of Shui Wu Long. We will keep 1 cup for next brew. You can have an aroma smell from teapot, or you also can have them from pitcher. From pitcher also have a very strong aroma. Every time we need to put out all the water or all the tea. We don't leave the water inside of the teapot. And we also can have aroma from our tape. Have aroma. They have different aroma. A little different, not quite different, because they are same tea. Shui Wu Long is belong to oolong tea, but we use some black tea process for this tea. So Shui Wu Long, the process is very special. Don't forget, Shui Wu Long need hot water, high temperature. I have 7 brews already today. Shui Wu Long, I think I can brew more, but I cannot drink. It's impossible I drink all. This is the Shui Wu Long before brew. You can see it's like black tea and like oolong tea. And let's see after brew. But this is I brew after 7 times. I see it still can work. So maybe 10 times for this Shui Wu Long. I hope you will like this. Please try Shui Wu Long. Thank you. Then we will have other tea in next time. See you again. Bye.